This is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and today I'll show how you can fix the slow system issues on this device. So in the beginning, I recommend that you offload your RAM cache or simply clear your RAM by closing all background running apps. And well, in order to do that, simply open the list of recent applications and here press the Close All button. Then what you might also want to do is to take care of your storage, perform a storage cleanup, and the easiest way to do that, in my opinion, is to use the Google Files app. So if you didn't have it, just install it for free from the Google Play Store, then launch the app. Here open the clean section, and the app is going to come up with a bunch of methods, or a bunch of measures you can take in order to free up some storage space and, well, overall just optimize your storage. So simply follow all the steps and instructions you'll see on your screen here. In my case, that's just to clean a mere 400 kilobytes of junk files, which is not that much, but as you can see, my storage is pretty fresh and clean, so, well. But in your case, if you've been using the device for some time, it may not be in such optimal condition, so take care of your storage. Then you can also launch your device's settings, go into the device care category, and then here press the Optimize Now button to enhance system performance even further, for it to automatically check what measures it can take in order to speed up your phone a little bit. Not leaving the device care section, open the memory page, then enter the RAM Plus and switch this feature on. It will greatly and significantly enhance your multitasking and overall system performance by providing it with additional virtual RAM gigabytes. So select how many random access memory gigabytes you would like to get additionally, and then press the OK button and restart your phone so those changes will be applied. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.